How to find text on Internet browser on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your iPhone. Once you have navigated to the web page, go to the search bar and type in apple.com. Now, tap on the icon below as shown, and from the pop-up menu that appears, tap the search document icon in the bottom left. A new search bar will then appear, and type in the text you want to find. As you can see, the text you searched for is highlighted on the page. You can use the arrows beside the search bar to navigate between them. This way, you can follow the same process to find any text that you want. Following these steps, you can easily find text on Internet browser on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.